Here I have Motorola G100, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it and can't even unlock your device. So what can you do in this kind of situation? Firstly, you have to turn off your device. After it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. In the following menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select the third option, recovery mode. When you see this Android robot laying down here on your screen and the no command message under it, just hold down power key and press volume up once. In the next menu, use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select an option, wipe data factory reset. And then confirm it by selecting factory data reset. After a few seconds, all of the data from your device will be wiped out. And after you see this message, data wipe complete, just select the first option, reboot system now, and your device will be restarted in about a minute after that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.